The tri-bow. This, I never used one like that before though. But I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is no ordinary bow staff. This right here is a 3-in-1 bow staff. Because you hear this? Yeah, that's chains inside of it. That means it can have more than one function. I guarantee. I don't know what the correct term it is. A good friend of mine that I worked on set this weekend, by the way. Great time working on the fight choreography and stuff like that. Check out some videos right there. Thank you so much. And he gifted me this weapon right here, and I'm going to go ahead and use it. And trust and believe, oh yeah, I'm going to use it. So obviously, you use it as a bow staff, like so. Boom. Ooh. Okay. I just want to show off there. So shouts out to my friend Elijah for gifting me this weapon here. So he showed me what it does. So what you gotta do is you gotta untie this because it's chains inside this thing. So look at that. Okay, and it's chain on the other side, but you know what this kind of remind me of? This kind of remind me of Crash Attack Hidden Dragon. That dude don't want this. Two-way nunchuck. Forgot what it's called. A Chang Xiaobang. But pretty much a 2-section staff. Okay, let's see what we're using this. I never used one like that before though. But I mean, I'm assuming it's the same concept as like a regular staff. By the way, this is a real weapon. Buddy, watch out. So if I go like this. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna work on that. Chang Xiaobang, okay? Of course, we already know what's gonna happen here. I don't have to elaborate any further. Chang Xiaobang, and all the way to the 3-section staff. As you can see. Oh yeah. Alright. Alright. Oh. I'm on my Toshi Fushiguro right now. Look at that. Oh, this feels good. Oh, okay. Ooh, I see it's weighted. There we go. This is a weighted one though. It's a workout and I love it. So now I have two 3-section staffs. Ooh. Okay. Love it. Hear that? Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna practice more with this stuff though. But you know what this really reminds me of though? Anybody watch Kung Fu Panda Legends of Awesomeness? You know when I say this. Oh, before have you seen a weapon so dangerous? The tri-bow. Now imagine there being literally like weighted stuff at the end of that. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, if that was a real weapon, I will buy it. And I posted up here too. Maybe somebody had to, all they had to do is literally put some iron weights at the end of these things. And you just swing it around like so. So I would say that's the end of that video. 3-section staff along with the Shang Xiaobang. And of course, the bow staff. So 3-in-1 weapon. Shouts out to my friend Elijah for gifted me this amazing weapon. I want to work on this. I'm definitely going to train with it. I did say I was going to get a 3-section staff at some point, and right now God has blessed me with the 3-section staff. But I will find where else you can find this stuff though too. I might have to ask back with him if you want to see more of this weapon here too. You know, my progression training with this weapon as well. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like, also subscribe, share it with your friends too, you know, to help support the channel, because you guys, you really are making this channel what it is today, and I do appreciate everything that you do. If you want to see more martial arts content, fight scene choreographies, you name it, all the stuff up here, you know what to do. Love you and take care.